Hello, in this series, we are going to start Laravel framework from scratch. Laravel is one of the best and popular framework based on PHP language. We are going to start Laravel 5.8 and this is the official website of Laravel framework. And we are going to install the Laravel 5.8 and for that we need to go inside the documentation. In the documentation, we have several ways to install the Laravel on your machine, but we are going to install on your web server. I'm using XAMPP, but it doesn't matter whatever you are using. You can use XAMPP, you can use WAMP or any other web servers. So for installation, we need to fulfill some requirements which are mentioned on Laravel official documentation. One of them is your PHP version should be equivalent to 7.1.3 and some PHP extensions should enable. So for installation you need to install the composer, and for composer you need to go getcomposer.org where you can download it. Composer is a dependency manager for PHP where you can download packages which are available on packages.org, and it is very easy process. You just need to download, or you can also use the documentation page where instructions are available. So once you download the composer, you just need to install the package of Laravel which is available on Laravel documentation. So in the terminal you just need to execute this command, but remember, after installation the composer. Once you execute this command will install Laravel package globally on your web server. After execution of this command, you just need to execute the command which will finally install the Laravel. Since I already installed composer in Laravel package, so I just need to execute the command which will create a fresh setup for me in my web server. And now this command will create a fresh Laravel setup into my web server. And here you can see composer has installed fresh Laravel version into our web server. And now I can show you. Here we have fresh installation. So now just need to go inside this folder, so cd fresh dash setup, and then we just need to execute a command which is php artisan serve. It will run the application on php development server. So we have link here and we can access it into our browser. So here you can see fresh Laravel installation on Chrome browser. If you did all this step in right way, you should have the result something like this. Thank you so much for watching this episode. If you done, then move to next. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. So please click on subscribe button.